tire shine battle. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have in your hands right now? You have Aenso Orbit. What do you think this one's gonna, do you think it's gonna be good?
Yeah, it's a great battle.
Okay, so you're gonna do Aenso Orbit on this side, and I'm going to do Ammo Mud. Now, you've used Ammo Mud before, right?
Yeah.
Here. We're gonna put this on this side right here. Okay, now you only put it on the tire on your side, so go ahead.
Wow, it looks shiny.
Well, we have to let it sit. There you go, all the way to the tape.
Why is it all dripping from these cracks?
This one's called Orbit. Now, you put probably way too much. But we'll see. We'll check it out. We'll probably have to rub this off. But Aenso Orbit is on this side. All right, Mia.
And I will get you my dog.
What am I going to do with the dog?
Look at my dog.
Look at your dog.
And this video is about my dog now. And now we are going to do something new with my dog. And she can act. And this is called Max. He's the boy's dog.
And I'm going to take Ammo Mud and I'm going to put it on this side.
And he's also going to be a dog too. He's also walking. And we also scrub, labble. And now we are going to clean him with some big heavy spray.
Okay, so we got mud on one side. And I'm just going to wipe off the excess on this side of the orbit.
And I'm spraying my puppy dog, and he's so cutest dog ever. And it keeps going and going and going.
So we have Aenso Orbit on this side, and we have Ammo Mud on this side. So we'll let them dry. We'll take a look at them, and then we'll have a nice conversation. All right. Mia's Tire Shine Battle number 2, Aenso Orbit versus Ammo Mud. You see the Orbit, nice clean look, but it does have quite a bit of shine in comparison to the Mud. You can see one is obviously shinier. The Mud is more satiny. I prefer the Ammo Mud over here. Mia, I'm sure, prefers the shiny, but we will get her official opinion tomorrow. She was very tired and she passed out early, so we will talk to her and see what her opinion is and go from there.
Big pig, here wants a cat.
Dang, here we are once a what?
Cat.
A cat?
Yeah.
Okay, so Mia, we just had your second tire shine battle.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, we did. Remember we did the first one? We did Adam's VRT versus the Pearl Nano tire gel. Hold on, well, we'll get it. Here, we'll use a different sticker. You want this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you want to put it?
Above the circle.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so our second tire shine battle was between Aenso Orbit and Ammo Mud.
Watch this.
We got a couple of different tire shines in and we were going to try them, but we wanted to compare probably levels and price points here.
What?
This is a gel, while this is more of a spray, a liquid.
And mine won.
Well, first, before we do it, can we smell them?
We already smelled them.
What does that smell like? Okay. And then Ammo Mud. I like the way this one smells better. I like Ammo Mud better.
No, mine smells really good.
No, this one smells really good. No, that's not. It's supposed to be a screw off, but I dropped the lid. So
I'm gonna put some on it.
we already put some on there. So which one's shinier? Shinier. It is a much shinier, glossier finish. This is much more satin or matte. I prefer this one, and you prefer this one. So this one's a smiley face too, though.
Yeah.
But this one you like better?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I like this one better because it's bigger.
it's not bigger. Look, this one's bigger.
No.
Yeah, look, it's taller.
No.
It's taller.
No.
Yeah, see, this one's taller.
See, it's bigger.
No, yeah, this one's bigger.
No, this one bigger.
All right, well, for Mia's second tire shine battle, Mia has chosen Aenso Orbit as the winner. This one wins.
First, they need to have to fight.
They need to fight. I'm Ammo Mud.
No, I'm bigger. I'm stronger because I'm older.
And your winner, Aenso Orbit.
Now it's the next.
So, thank you for joining us.
It's the next fight.
We really had
battle,
fun.
you boys.
Tune in next time for our next tire shine battle. We'll see you later. Bye.